Nobody likes to have to use their machine for mending. Gosh, that takes away from all of our other issues. But if we have family members that have brought us those rips to mend up, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to do this. But shh, don't tell anyone that you have this, how easy it is, because, you know, you don't want them bringing all their mending. So first off is you would need to do something to put behind the opening. So I'm going to just fold this fabric so there's something behind it. You can't just stitch without a base to it. Stitch number 21. So we're going to pick 21. We'll touch the eye to see what foot. It says 2A. So we're going to switch over to the 2A foot. And that does not have a little dot, so I'm disengaging the IDT and then attaching the presser foot on. All right, so this stitch is going to start in the upper, let's see here, left corner of this opening, and I'm going to set how long I want this stitch to be with the reverse button. Now you can actually do this also with the buttonhole foot, but let me go ahead and show you this. So once we start sewing, you're going to see the needle traveling along the left needle position. And when it gets just past your opening, touch the reverse button one time. And you'll notice that the needle just goes back and forth, or I should say the fabric goes back and forth, but the needle's moving at each of the needle positions to give us a line of thread. So it's moving kind of from the left side all the way to the right side. Just keep sewing until it stops, because once it gets there, you can go ahead and touch the thread snips and it actually stops for you automatically. I mean, there's really no guesswork to this. Like I said, don't tell anyone how easy it is, but definitely being able to recreate the fabric really makes this super easy. Now, I mentioned you can do this with the buttonhole foot as well, so you can actually do this and then set it for the length, like your opening, and pull down the tool that will allow you to have the exact length without actually having to even touch the reverse button. It works real similar. Let's go ahead and try that real quick here. We'll just go ahead and put the buttonhole foot on. Pull down the lever. And you'll see that when that little lever touches in the back, it changes that direction each time that it feels the little kind of arm sticking out. So it's really quite easy. So if you want to just open that up and let that go, once again, I'll stop when it gets to the other side. Yes, I have a little thread in there. Apparently that will just add to how well it's going to hold. All right, thread snips for the win. And we have another finished buttonhole area there. Awesome. So two different ways, one with a buttonhole foot, one with a standard foot, and you can, again, don't tell anybody how easy it is. Just go ahead and get it done and then get back to the fun stuff that you were sewing before you were interrupted.